How to change icons and text size on Windows 10 if you want a bigger or smaller appearance of the items is described here. Hi, I have not been able to change the default font style for menus and the desktop in Windows 10. I am on the most current build, 10,049, and I can't find anything in. Windows 10 runs on laptops, desktops, tablets, and even phones, but even though the operating system should scale accordingly, fonts and icons aren't always. Find the 3 steps to change font and font size in CMD on Windows 10 computer. From this text, I wish to increase the size of the font used within Explorer.exe. My computer. To list files /folders. I do not wish to increase / decrease the screen's overall p. This easy to follow tutorial will show you how to change the font size in Windows Vista 8 and in Windows 10. If you are not a fan of the default font in Windows 10, you can change it to your preferred font with a simple registry tweak. How to change text size of icons in Windows 10 information. You can make the text of icons on your screen easier to see by making them running Windows 10, but finding that the system font text size is a bit small for your fancy high-def display. Here's the easy way to fix that problem. Written tutorial, http://tech-tutorials Pixxy Creativity. In this video, I show you how to change both the text or font sizes on Windows 10 apps and end. Edit article wiki. How to change font size on a computer. 4 methods: Windows 10 system font size, Windows 8 and earlier Mac system font size, webpage font size. This video show you how to change the size of text, apps and other item in Windows 10. You can make the text and other things like icons larger without changing font size. In Windows is very easy. You can change Windows interface font size if it is too small or too large for your reading experience. How do I change the font size of my desktop icons in Windows 10? In old versions of Windows you could do that through Control Panel, Display, Appearance. Select the item you want to change the font size for. For example, if you want larger text on the title bars, select the Title Bar option in this quick tutorial. Learn how to increase the font size in Windows 10 Universal Apps for better reading on small displays. Change the P setting in Windows 10. How to change the default fonts in Windows 10. Even though it lists a number of items to change the font and size of, not everything gets changed. Somehow my font size has increased in size in everything I go into, Google, email, etc. And I have searched with no success to change back to the Segoe is the default font in Windows. This default font is used almost everywhere from desktop to File Explorer to settings in Windows 10. Many PCs Windows 10 operating system can run on PCs, laptops, notepads, and even mobile phones. However, to each device, the operating system possesses a specific font size. Microsoft brought dozens of changes for Windows 10 with its Creators Update. The company added many new options, features, and tons of improvements, but also removed. Is there a way to make the font size bigger in Windows 10? It's too small for me. Windows 10 is flexible and allows users to make various customizations. Thus, how to add, remove and modify fonts in Windows 10. For example, to increase or decrease the font size for, say, menus and icons, click Change Font Size. Windows 10 operating system can run on PCs, laptops, notepads, and even mobile phones. However, to each device, the operating system possesses a specific font size. Community tested. Wiki. How to change the default font on Windows 7. 2 methods: changing menu fonts, changing text size. Community Q&M. This wiki teaches you how to. These Windows fonts can be changed. Change the font size of the Windows Mail or Outlook Express message list. To make Windows Mail or Outlook Express use larger or. With Creators Update, Microsoft has brought tens of changes to Windows 10 operating system. While adding new features and options, a couple of features haven't upgraded to Windows 10. The size of the font is so small I have trouble reading the. There would be options available to change the font size. So far we're loving Windows 10 since it has introduced so many new features, but compared to previous versions, it seems that some features are missing. Some users go to Control Panel and GT, Appearance and Personalization and GT, Display and GT, change the font size of title bars, menus, message boxes, palette titles, icons or tooltips.